In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning visuals using Gimp. This versatile open source image editor allows you to do everything from simple tasks to more advanced techniques. And today, we're going to walk through a quick and effective way to blend images seamlessly using a layer mask. So let's get started. First things first, we need to open up Gimp. If you haven't already downloaded it, go ahead and do that. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the main workspace where all the creative magic happens. This is where you'll spend most of your time crafting beautiful images. It might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but it's laid out logically, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Next, we're going to upload the two images you want to work with, your background layer, and then the primary image you wish to blend. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping them into the workspace or using the Open command from the File menu. Make sure both images are open in Gimp because we'll be layering them in just a second. Now that we have our images loaded up, look over to the bottom right of your screen and you should see the Layers panel. This is where you manage the different layers that make up your final image. With your primary image selected, right-click on it in the Layers panel. From the menu that appears, click on Add Layer Mask. This is an important step because the layer mask will allow us to blend the images smoothly. Once you've added the layer mask, a dialog box will pop up. Here you want to select the gradient option. This setting will enable a smooth transition between your images, which looks visually striking. Make sure to change the shape setting to bilinear for a more precise and natural blend. Now with these settings selected, you can start blending your images. To do this, click and hold your mouse at the starting point in your primary image where you want the transition to begin. Then, drag your mouse in the direction you wish the blending effect to occur. Release the mouse button when you have reached the endpoint of your desired gradient. You will see the images start to blend together, the edges softly transitioning from one image to the other. And just like that, you have successfully blended two images using Gimp. This technique is particularly useful for creating professional-looking graphics and dynamic compositions. Once you're happy with the result, don't forget to save your work. You can save it as a Gimp project file if you plan to continue editing later, or export it to a more common image format such as JPEG or PNG for sharing. Congratulations on completing this tutorial. With practice and experimentation, you can adapt this technique for various creative projects. Happy editing!